Breaking news. Supreme Court voids Buhari's Executive Order 10, declares it illegal. Hello, my wonderful people. President Muhammadu Buhari has been put to shame again as the Supreme Court calls his executive order, giving it to the governors to go ahead and do without without due process, has been declared illegal. He cannot pursue it anymore. Buhari woke up one morning and told the governors that they have to, regarding the judiciary, they have to do this, do that, and they have to pay from the money, meant for the states. And before you could say Jack Robinson, the 36 governors unanimously took Buhari to court. North, south, east, west, all of a sudden, there is the power of unity which came along them. And before you could say Jack Robinson, they all came together and Buhari was taken to court. Today, the court has just declared verdict on Buhari's, imposition of himself on, on the imposition of himself on the state governors and called it illegal. Everybody has its jurisdiction. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Supreme Court on Friday declared the executive order on which President Muhammadu Buhari issued the funding of state judiciary and legislatives illegal. The Apex Court, in a split decision by a seven-man panel of justice, held that President Muhammadu Buhari acted beyond his statutory power level and that President Muhammadu Buhari has acted beyond his statutory power. Government, the judgment follows a suit that has been filed by the 36 states of the Federation governors, while 6 judges uphold the suit and a member of the panel dismissed it. It will be recalled that President Muhammadu Buhari had, in an executive order signed on May the 22nd, 2020, made it mandatory for all states to include allocation of both legislative and judiciary in their appropriation laws in compliance with Section 121, Subsection 3 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. However, in the suit mark SC/655/2020, which was filed on September the 12th, 2020, the 36 states, through their Attorney General, queried the legality of the Presidential Executive Order 10. The plaintiffs posed 2 legal questions for the Supreme Court to determine, following which they asked for 9 reliefs. They argued that President Muhammadu Buhari, by virtue of the said executive order, persecuted the federal government's responsibility of funding both the capital and recurrent expenditure of the state high courts, Sharia Court of Appeal, and the customary Court of Appeal to the state government. They contend that the order was a clear violation of Section 6 and 8, subsection 3 of the 1999 Constitution, which made it responsibility of the federal government to fund the listed courts. The 36 states, which said they have been funding capital projects in the listed court since 2009, prayed the Supreme Court to order the federal government to make a refund to them, a relief the Apex Court rejected when they presented the offer. The Attorney General of the Federation was cited as the sole defendant in the suit. So, the you win some, you lose some is what has gone on. Yes, the 36 governors won some cases, while Buhari won his own case. The 36 governors has won that, Buhari gave an executive order, and that means they just have to comply. They have no choice. That from their state allocation, they will begin to fund the judiciary and all the courts in their domain. But before now, this has been the duty of this has been the duty of the federal government, but Buhari has said henceforth no more, that they have to fund this themselves. And for this reason, they've gone to court to look into the matter. For this case and for this very purpose, they said, that they want their money refunded. Well, that refund was not meant to be, as the court said, no, you can't have it. You can't have it. But Buhari, your executive order on the governors, you've gone beyond your jurisdiction, okay? You've gone beyond your boundaries. You can't wake up one morning and impose yourself on the governors, telling them that they must do this or they must do that. No, there is your, according to the constitution, there is your aspect of the job, and there is their aspect of the job. You don't force yourself on anybody. You don't wake up one morning and tell somebody, no, no, you are the president. Nobody's arguing that with you. And they are this, nobody's arguing. So everybody should maintain what we call law and order. Don't impose yourself on anybody, and nobody will impose themselves on you. This is what has gone on, and they have said, you know what, this is how it should be going forward. So you see, my wonderful people, when you think that you have just won somebody, you'll be surprised some of the things that are going on. And so the court has ordered today that Buhari, cannot impose order 10 on the cannot impose order 10 on the governors. He can't do that. Again, the governor said since 2009 that this case that it took Buhari to court has been since 2009, where they've been funding some particular project, and that has amounted to about 66 billion, and they want the federal government to refund that money. Sadly, it was not meant to be. They were told no, that it is not possible, and that there was no refund coming to them. So you win some, you lose some was the case of what happened today. It was not meant to be. They could not get what they wanted as well. Buhari could not also get what he wanted. Buhari wanted the governors to succumb to his call. However, that did not happen. Why also, they also want, the governors also want Buhari to pay them. That was not meant to be. So it was, I mean, no win, nobody win, nobody loses. Okay. So nobody won, nobody loses today. And this is exactly what has happened, and Nigerians are watching. So the matter remains, and it continues to go on. And we continue to say, this is important, that everybody pays attention. Okay, this is important, that everybody pays attention. So my wonderful people, these are part of the things that are going on. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Bye.